Hey everyone, today we are diving into the latest StarryOS updates, featuring new app support, fresh wallpaper, and exciting customizations. Make sure you are on StarryOS 4.3 to access these upgrades. You will need a Windows PC and a dual USB cable to get started. Let's jump in. First, locate the upgrade notification in the home page. Then, make sure the StarryHub contacts your computer via the dual USB cable, and then follow the guide. And that's it. The update is complete. Next, we'll explore the exciting new features that come with this update. Built on Android 12, the new system now supports a wider range of apps and XAPK file installations, including popular apps like YouTube and Netflix. You can install any software you desire. With the latest StarryHub update, the BYOM feature now supports USB connections in addition to wireless dongle. This upgrade offers a more stable and reliable experience for seamless screen sharing. Explore a variety of stylish desktop wallpapers and enjoy smoother shutdown animations for a more visually appealing experience. You can now choose an app to start automatically when you boot up your device, streamlining your workflow right from the beginning. Enhance your brand identity by customizing the logo displayed in the top left corner of your screen. That's it. Enjoy your upgraded StarryOS. If you have a problem, drop them in the comments.